Introducing the 2023 Ford Mustang Mach-E. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You'll love this tech-forward Mustang Mach-E. Premium styling, a host of passenger amenities, thrilling acceleration, convenient charging options, and an impressive range give you the freedom and comfort you've been looking for. Driver profiles even let you personalize the ride in this athletic, ultra-smooth EV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power liftgate, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, power driver seat. Future-focused efficiency blends with luxury and performance in this remarkable Mustang Mach-E. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.